Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create an e-invoice in Zoho Books. First, log in to your Zoho Books account and navigate to the dashboard. Next, click on the Sales tab in the navigation panel. Under this section, select Invoices to view your current invoice list. To create a new e-invoice, click the New button at the top right corner. This will open a form where you can enter all the necessary details. Start with the customer's name, followed by the products or services provided, and then the total amount due. You can also customize your invoice by adding your company's logo, choosing a template that matches your brand, and setting up automated reminders for your clients. Once you've reviewed all the information, click Save or Save and Send to finalize the invoice. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional e-invoice in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. See